Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you a 2017 Honda HRV and we're going to be showing you how to change the turn signal here. You're going ahead and open up the back. Go ahead and remove both of them. There's also a clip here that you're going to want to do a slight tug to remove the assembly. Now that we have the assembly out, we can go ahead and replace your turn signal. In case you do have to replace your entire assembly, all you have to do is squeeze this clip out, disconnect your wire here, and that'll have your assembly out. Right now we're just going to show you how to replace the turn signal. So all we have to do is turn it counterclockwise. If you pull it out, your bulb will come out. This is your standard Sylvania 7440 bulb, which you can replace by giving it a slight tug. Make sure you do wipe it down before replacing it back into your assembly to remove any oil residue. To replace your light bulb, you're going to insert back and turn clockwise. In order to put everything back together, you're going to want to slide your assembly onto the clip. Then you're going to put your screws back in with your handheld screwdriver. And that completes the tutorial for today. If you have any specific questions on this vehicle, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions on any vehicles you would like to see on the channel, be sure to leave that in the comments below as well. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.